Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is that time of the week where we are back with some very interesting questions and also a very interesting player to play that with us. And let me tell you, today I'm in the presence of royalty. And that's the reason I've got this big, broad smile. And I feel very, very special because this show is really special with his presence. Please welcome Nawabzada Muhammad Asif Ali, the eldest son to the Prince of Arcot. He's a socialist, he's a cultural activist, he's a philanthropist, and most importantly, he's an avid quiz master and holds many, many quizzes for schools, colleges, corporates. So what a privilege it is to have you here with me on Run Out with Ridhima.
Thank you, Dima. Thank you for having me here. It's a great privilege, it's a great honor for me to be here in this event. And I just hope that I get at least one question right. Otherwise, my kids are not going to leave me. You know what I mean?
So I'm pretty sure you're going to be excellent. But before we dive into the show, tell me how life is at Arcot. And this is really unique for me. And I'm pretty sure it's very unique for everybody who's watching here.
So we come from a family known as the Nawabs of Arcot. And from 1690, so we were the sovereign rulers of this part of the country. And that was known as the Carnatic area, with the T, C-A-R-N-A-T-I-C. And Arcot was the capital. So as rulers, they ruled this place for more than about 150 years. And they were known to be very secular, all the Nawabs, all my ancestors, very secular. They had good relations with Muslims, Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, everyone together. So this was their highlight, I would say. I happen to be quiz master, so I always like to spread knowledge and interact with the kids. And I'm a cricketer myself, so we organize a lot of sports events, especially cricket. And also, other than the business, which I'm in software, I happen to be a musician. So I play the piano, and I've composed professionally. So I've done for artists like Lucky Ali, Blase, and recently I released a song, not fully, a part of it on my Facebook, which I had recorded with SPB sir. So I did that some time back, and so we recorded it in the studio. This is the Darbar Hall actually. So this is a place where many of the dignitaries and from our country, from abroad, international, including the presidents of India, the prime ministers, the governors, the ministers, the ambassadors, all have been here as a courtesy call to the Prince of Arcot, which is my father today. And this is the place where we have events. We do social events, music events, educational events. We have tours from school, children, college children, international groups. We all are here. So the bottom line is we try to bring people together as much as possible.
So this is really beautiful, and thank you so much for giving me a tour of the Darbar Hall, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the studio.
Okay, this is one of my favorite tunes. It's from the movie Godfather, so it's a theme of Godfather, which is one of my favorites.
So this is the perfect setting to start with the quiz. I think it's on a very melodious note. Let's dive straight into it. So here's the very first question of Run Out with Ridhima coming towards you. And let me tell you, this very first question is going to be like me bowling towards you. And then the next 5 becomes like Jasprit Bumrah is coming at it. Okay? So the very first...
So if I don't answer...
Yes.
What will be the question?
So my question to you is, which team in the IPL is usually associated with the superstition that they only win in odd years?
I'll go with Mumbai, yeah. Am I right?
You're absolutely right there. It is Mumbai Indians, and they are usually associated with the superstition that they win in odd years. So let's find out what's going to happen this year. All right. So congratulations, sir. You won yourself goodies worth 1 lakh.
I got 1 lakh. Thank you so much.
Super. The next question coming your way, and this is where you start defending your zeros. The question is, which team has never made it to an IPL final?
Delhi Daredevils.
Perfect. It is.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Perfect. So earlier Delhi Daredevils, now called Delhi Capitals. Perfect. So Delhi has never made it to an IPL final.
Thank God. So minimum I'm winning 10 rupees. Yeah, I understood.
Exactly. So 10 rupees for sure, kahin nahi ja rahe. The next question is, this is related to the auction of 2020.
Wow.
Which West Indies player did MI acquire before getting into IPL 2020, in the trade window before IPL 2020?
Okay, tell me it's a bowler or batsman.
There'll be too much of a hint right there.
Even then, I won't don't worry. Okay, so go on. I give up. Next one.
So zero gaye yahan pe. The answer is Sherfield Rutherford.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Okay. That's difficult.
That is.
I can understand the difficulty levels now. So the next question, I understand the left. Yeah, okay. Let's see.
Yeah. So it's like you're attacking my lakhs and I'm attacking yours. It's like that. So, all right. So we've lost to zero here. So you're down to 10,000. The next question is, who was the first ever English player to be bought in an IPL auction?
Technical, man. Anderson?
No. It's Dimitri Mascarenhas.
Oh my God. Okay,
This is it.
I'll catch you for a quiz from my end next time. Okay.
I knew that was coming up. I really knew that was coming up. All right. So I'm gonna
two more.
You've got 2 more. So we're down to 1,000. Which team has won the IPL the maximum number of times?
I got my 100 minimum.
Which is?
Mumbai.
Yes, it is. It is Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians for sure. So you've got 100 right here. So you've got the last question coming up. So you're either taking 1,000 home or you're taking 100 home. Which is the most expensive foreign player bought in IPL 2019? And I have options for you here. Your options are Colin Ingram, second Lasith Malinga, or third Sam Curran.
Dissenting choice, but I'll go with the third one.
Sam Curran?
That's the one, yeah.
You take back home 1,000. You get another zero. It is Sam Curran, who was bought for 7.2 CR by Kings 11 Punjab.
Wow, thank you so much. Yeah, it was great fun. Yeah, good one.
This was fantastic, but you did really well. All right, sir, before you say your goodbyes, may I please request you to do it on a very melodious note, and let's hear the man himself playing it for us.
Okay, this is a new tune I've composed, so I'm just going to play a few lines. It's not finished yet, but just something which I was humming and which I like to play for you now. So that was a new tune which I made.
That was really beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you.